Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are safe at home. Welcome back to my class. So today we will be discussing worksheet number 6, the kite. K-I-T-E, kite. As you can see here, this is the picture of a kite. Okay, so let's start. Mark has Anu's kite. M-A-R-K, Mark. H-A-S has a N-E-W, no, K-I-T-E, kite. So the boy name is Mark. He has Anu kite. Beauty, but H-E-E, as is sad, sad, but he is sad. He C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. F-L-Y, fly. H-I-S, his. K-I-T-E, kite, but he cannot fly his kite. H-E-R-U-N-S, runs. U-P, up. A-N-D, end. D-O-W-N, down. T-H-E, the. S-T-R-E-E-T, street. W-I-T-H, with. H-I-S, his. K-I-T-E, kite. He runs up and down the street with his kite. So Mark is running here and there to fly his kite. S-T-I-L-L, still. T-H-E, the. K-I-T-E, kite. D-O-E-S, does. N-O-T, not. F-L-Y, fly. H-I-G-H, high. Still the kite does not fly high. So still the kite is not going to fly high. T-H-E-N, then. M-A-R-K, Mark. G-O-E-S, goes to. N-I-N-A, apostrophe S, Nina's. H-O-U-S-E, house. Then Mark goes to Nina's house. This girl name is Nina. Okay. T-H-E, the. T-W-O-2, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. T-R-Y, try. A-N-D, end. P-U-L-L, pull. T-H-E, the. K-I-T-E, kite. So the two friends try and pull the kite. Beauty, but. T-H-E, the. K-I-T-E, kite. J-U-S-T, just. C-O-M-E-S, comes. D-O-W-N, down. A-G-A-I-N, again. P-L-O-P, plop. But the kite just comes down again. They try to fly the kites, but the kite is again coming down as plop sound. G-O, go. T-O-2, T-H-E, the. P-A-R-K, park. Go to the park. S-A-Y-S, says. N-I-N-A, apostrophe S, Nina's grandmother. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. So grandmother of Nina said that please go to the park. It is windy there. I-T, it. I-S, is. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. T-H-E-R-E, there. The C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children run to the park. P-A-R-K, park. So these two friends went to the park. T-H-E-Y, they. R-U-N, run. U-P, up. A-N-D, end. D-O-W-N, down. They run up and down. T-H-E, the. K-I-T-E, kite. D-O-E-S-N-O-T, not, does not. F-L-Y, fly. So again the kite does not fly. It goes just up and down. T-H-E, and then. M-A-R-K, mark. H-O-L-D-S, holds. T-H-E, the. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. A-N-D, end. R-U-N-S, runs. F-A-S-T, fast. Then Mark holds the string and runs fast. See, as you can see here, this is nothing but string. Manja, as you can say, right? Okay. So he started taking the string and run. Whoosh! The kite flies up. The kite started flying. F-L-I-E-S-U-P, up. Flies up. Look. L-O-O-K, look. Exclamatory mark. Look. M-Y, my. K-I-T-E, kite. I-S is. F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. My kite is flying. Shouts. Mark. M-A-R-K, mark. Now Mark is saying that my kite is flying. Okay. So now let us see the reading part. A bit. Circle the correct answer. So first one. Mark has a dash kite. Big or no kite? Yes, no kite. You have to circle. N-E-W. Then second. Mark cannot dash the kite. Run or fly? Yes, fly is the correct. So you have to circle. F-L-Y. Then third. Nina and Mark are brother and sister or friends? Yes, they are friends. So you have to circle friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Fourth. Nina's grandmother says go to the dash. Park or beach? Yes, park is the correct answer, children. P-A-R-K, you have to circle. Fifth one. Mark flies the kite in the park because it is dash. Big or windy? Yes, it is windy. You have to circle. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Very good. Next, B bit. Find the words in the text that tell you. First one, how the kite falls down with a sound plop, P-L-O-P, exclamatory mark, plop. Second, how the kite flies, whoosh, W-H-O-O-S-H, exclamatory mark, whoosh. Now let us see the grammar part. A bit, write the correct word from the box below each picture. Here is the help box for you. You have to write the correct name of the picture. Okay, suppose the first one already he has done. What the girl is doing? Hopping, nothing but like a jumping. Okay, so second is the boy is rolling, R-O-L-L, roll. Next, third, the girl is climbing, C-L-I-M-B, climb. Fourth, skip, S-K-I-P, skip. Fifth, B-E-N-D, bend. Sixth, run, R-U-N, run. Seventh, F-L-Y, fly. Eighth, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Okay, now let us see B bit. Look at these pictures. Find the doing words in the word puzzle and color the boxes. So children, doing words nothing but verb. So we have to see what the action words are here, and you have to circle, then you have to color that box. Okay, use only crayons or color pencils. The first one I have found here is ride, R-I-D-E, ride. So you have to make it as a circle, then you have to color lightly. Okay, the next is read, R-E-A-D, read, you have to circle. Then sleep, swim, cook and skip. Okay, so the different colors you have to do for each boxes, for each this word which we have circled. Okay, next comes vocabulary bit. Look at this little girl, read the words. Just it is a reading practice for you children. What is this? Head, H-E-A-D, head. Okay, what is this? Eye, E-Y-E, eye. Then what is this? E-A-R, ear. Very good. Then what is this? N-E-C-K, neck. Very good. So what are these here? Finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. So this palm is nothing but H-A-N-D, hand here. Okay, here is nothing but wrist, wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Here this nothing but waist, W-A-I-S-T, waist. This is nothing but foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Very good. Next, B bit, choose the correct words from the box to complete these sentences. First one, you wear a cap on your dash. Where you wear this cap? Head, H-E-A-D, head. Second, you wear a chain round your neck. Necklace you will be wearing here, N-E-C-K, neck. Very good. Third, you wear a ring on your finger. Yes, superb, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Fourth, you wear a belt round your waist, W-A-I-S-T, waist, nothing but kamar. Kamar pe pehn dena. Okay. So next, fifth one, you wear a watch on your dash, wrist. Okay, very good. Next, see the spelling bit. Write the plurals of these words using S or ES. Remember that for words ending in CH, SH, O, SS or X, we add ES to make plurals. Here are singular words have been given. You have to write in a plural form. Dish, plural is D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. Torch, T-O-R-C-H-E-S, torches. Third, spade, S-P-A-D-E-S, spades. Princess, princesses, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S-E-S, princesses. Then crayon, crayon, C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. Mango, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Very good. Next comes the writing part. Look at these pictures and write these words. Complete the sentences on the next page. Here is a nurse and here is a postman. This nurse name is Zeenat and the postman name is Ranveer. She works in hospital and she used to look after sick people. This person Ranveer is a postman. He works in a post office and he delivers the letters. So based on this you have to write the sentences here. Zeenat. Zeenat is a nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse, and she works in a hospital, H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. She looks, L-O-O-K-S, looks, A-F-T-E-R, after, S-I-C-K, sick, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. She looks after sick people. Now comes Ranveer is a postman, P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. He works in a post office. He works in a post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. He delivers letters, D-E-L-I-V-E-R-S, Letters, delivers letters. Okay children, well that's all for today. I have completed the 6th worksheet also. So what you have to do, you have to just find these words and you have to color with the color pencils or else crayons only. Okay, and do lightly. So well, that's all for today. Keep learning, keep practicing. Take care. Bye bye.